What are we doing, babies?
Cutting holes in watermelons.
This is survival in the desert.
Birds.
Say hi, Tay. Look at the camera, pretty girl.
Hi.
Josiah?
Hi.
And they're up here in the trees waiting. We have woodpeckers and we have hummingbirds that I think are building a nest. But we also have cats. And you can usually not have anything if you have cats.
Olio.
So,
Mine.
and the birds send up an awful screech when the cats are out, don't they?
Yeah.
They have guards. So what do we got over here? Some watermelon and some water. And a butterfly. Look at that. Everybody's coming to the Karpowski's house.
It's awesome.
'Cause they know they can get a little refuge, a butterfly. That was awesome. Thank you, Jesus. All right, Taylor May, you better help that boy. She goes. In the same swim shorts they've shared for 5 years. 5 years?
I've met him, so like 7 now, or 8. Probably 8.